Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the second part of the Browning version, one act play, which was first performed on 8 September 1948 at the Phoenix Theatre in London. Yes, dear students, we are going to study the Browning version, the second part of it written by Terence Rattigan. As I have already told you that this is one act play. Before starting the chapter, we must know the highlights of the previous part, what we have studied in the previous part. First, we studied about the author and the significance of the title. As I have already told you that Browning version, it is the translation of Agamemnon, a Greek tragedy written by a great Greek dramatist Aeschylus, and this book was translated by Robert Browning, and Terence Rattigan has written this, and this is the part from that. And next is about the theme of the chapter. I have told you that some teachers are strict, rigid and fastidious. They follow the rules and regulations of schools and colleges very strictly, and such teachers are hated by one and all, by the students. And characters of the play, I have already discussed about the characters. There are 4 characters in this play. First is Taplow, who is 16 years old boy, and next is Mr. Frank, a young science teacher, and next is Mr. Crocker Harris, who is at the end of his teaching career, and he teaches Latin, which is not liked by the students. That's why he is not famous among the students. He is unpopular among him. But you will not see in the chapter. You will find about him between the discussion between Taplow and Frank. Next is Taplow's meeting with Frank. I have told you that Taplow was waiting for Crocker Harris, as he had given him extra work to do after school hours, as he was absent for one day in the last week. So he was asked him to stay, and he was to complete his work. And Mr. Frank comes there, and they start to talk about Mr. Crocker Harris. Discussion now. Let's start about this part of the chapter. Discussion between Taplow and Frank. As Frank reached there and starts to talk with Taplow, who was waiting for Mr. Crocker Harris, and you sound a little bitter, Taplow. Frank asks him, you look some bitter about Crocker Harris. Because when he heard him, he was talking ill or against about Crocker Harris. That's why he felt perhaps he hates him. And next, Crocker Harris follows the rules and regulations strictly. Means Taplow tells him that Crocker Harris is a very strict teacher. He is a man of principle. He follows all the rules and regulations, and that's why he does not like him. He was given extra work. He had given him extra work as punishment, as he was absent for one day due to illness. So it shows that what the feelings are expressed by the student Taplow, absent due to illness. I have already told you about this. Might be playing golf, and he tells him that the weather is very fine today, and he must be outside for playing golf, but due to the punishment. He is unable to go outside to play his favorite game. Mr. Frank tries to calm him, telling that he would get result next day for being a good boy. Mr. Frank tries to comfort him, telling that he would get result next day for being a good boy. So it means that he was obeying his teacher very honestly, and he must think him a good student, and on behalf of that he would give him a good result. Next day his result will be good, and his opinion is different about him. Such rules do not work with Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow says that it does not happen with Mr. Crocker Harris. His opinion is different about him, because he is just like he is not like other teachers in their school. He does not appreciate those who do extra work. He never appreciates, praises those students who work, who do extra work. Taplow's criticism of Mr. Crocker Harris. Now, Taplow criticizes Mr. Crocker Harris. How? You can see here the picture of Mr. Crocker Harris. He is an old person at the edge of retirement. Taplow's dislike for Crocker Harris concerning remove. Remove student, it means result. Taplow does not like Mr. Crocker Harris because when he went to his house, he requested him to tell his remove his result, but he was not agree with him. He said that he should not worry about his result. He has given him what he deserves for. Means he will not get more or less. Okay, so he should not be disturbed, or he should not worry about this. Taplow imitates Mr. Harris to is encouraged by Frank. Taplow imitates Mr. Harris, as I have told that he imitates in his voice, in the voice of Mr. Crocker Harris, and he was encouraged by Mr. Frank, and he asks him to repeat it again and again. In this way, it shows that Mr. Frank envies him for the effect Mr. Crocker Harris produces or leaves on the students of the class. He had given him what he deserved, nothing less and nothing more. It was the statement which was imitated by Taplow when he was encouraged by Mr. Frank, science teacher. Thinks him strict and hardly human as he never swells up. It means Taplow thinks him hardly human. Hardly human means the person who is a man of principle and follows the rules and regulations very strictly. He never goes against the rules and regulations. In this way, he is a inhuman. He is a hardly human. Frank suggests Taplow to go off and play golf. Here, Frank advises him, asks him to go off and play golf because he is already 10 minutes late. He should not wait now. He should go away and enjoy the day and enjoy the play. Taplow is shocked when he heard these words from Mr. Frank. He was shocked how he can say about him. And in this way, Taplow was really shocked hearing these words of Mr. Frank. Frank envies Harris. What was the reason of envy? Because students were afraid of, were scared of Mr. Crocker Harris, and all the students respected him very much. Yet the students completed their work. In this way, we can say that Frank was envious of Mr. Crocker Harris. He did not like the effect that he left on the students. Yes, students, now you must have understood. The questions have been given here. Why did Taplow say that Mr. Crocker Harris was hardly human? Hardly human means he did not he did not like the politeness. He had no polite things and generous things towards the students. He was always a hard taskmaster. Why Stapleton worried about his remove? What did Crocker Harris reply to him? So here you are to tell what is remove here. What did Crocker Harris reply to him? Means Crocker Harris ने क्या उत्तर दिया जब उसने और रिमूव क्या है और उन्होंने क्या कहा? He said that you have got for what you deserve. You have not received more or less. Why does Mr. Frank ask Stapleton to copy Mr. Crocker Harris? What does he imitate? So here this question you must have understood. Why does Mr. Frank ask Stapleton to copy Mr. Crocker Harris? Due to envy that he is affected with the effect of the Crocker Harris. That's why he instigates him to criticize or to imitate him again and again. Thanks for watching this video.